Today let me teach you on how you can put a shadow on a circled image using CSS. Without further ado, let's get started! First, you'll need an index file and the image that you're going to use. For me, I'll be going to use this smile image for example. Then after that, open your text editor and let's start coding. The editor I'm using is Visual Studio because it has a live server that once you save the index file will automatically refresh. I'll just going to start the live server. First, we need to insert the image. For me, the smile image is on the root folder. Then after that, I'll be going to make the image center to make it more neat on the eyes. First, I'll be showing you what it looks like if you're going to put a shadow on a circle PNG image. See, I know this is not what you want to be, the output of the image, but no worry, let's fix that. Here's you'll need to do. Put a border radius and make it 50%. That will fix the problem. See? You can also use it for hover like this. Then add the transition for a smooth animation. You can also add a border and that will not be a problem. Alright, that's all you need to have a drop shadow or circle drop shadow. I hope you learned and thank you for watching. Bye! Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click the notification bell so you will be updated to our next video. Bye! Thank you for watching!